gang, Daryl Davis coming to you here to talk about designing a life worth smiling about. So here it is, day 7, Long Island, New York. Since the hurricane has hit us and passed, it's also day 7 since we've had any electric in my household or any heat. And which I've learned several things. One of them is that my house is poorly insulated. It's actually warmer out here, and it's pretty cold, than it is in my own house. And I've also learned how to sponge bath, which is going to be really useful when I get old enough and I can't shower anymore. But this video, and I want to do a couple of videos about what I have learned during this hurricane and what I've been going through. And one of those things is preparing for the worst case scenario, but hope for the best. Now, I know a lot of us might have heard that expression, and I don't mean just physically or logistically. I mean emotionally, mentally. This whole incident reminded me of a time when I was in my teenage years before I was allowed to drive. I had taken my mother's car without her permission, and I drove to this girl that I had, a crush on. Love makes you do silly things. And so I basically stole my mother's car without a driver's license. Now, once I got there, I started to panic when she finds out what's going to happen to me. And I remember going through this mental process that, well, what's the worst case scenario that could happen? Is she going to kill me physically? No, of course not. And as I started to discover what the worst case scenario was, then I accepted it. I said, okay, well, can I live through that? Can I live through that worst case scenario? And once I realized that I could, anything after that that could happen wouldn't be as bad. So I think a lot of us, what we do when we're stressed or worried about things, we actually create a lot of the fear in our own minds about what might happen, but we miss one step, I think. And the final step is, well, pretend that did happen mentally, emotionally. Could you live through it? Could you accept it? Could you get through it on the other side? And once you go through that final process, that final piece, then you can handle it. You can take it on if it does happen. But here's 2 things that happen. Number 1 is you can stop worrying about it because you've accepted it and you've mentally lived through it. But the second thing is 9 times out of 10, the thing that you were thinking could happen, that worst case scenario, doesn't. And therefore, whatever does happen seems almost like a gift. It's like, oh, well, that wasn't as bad as I thought. So if you've got something that you're worried about, stressing about, bring yourself mentally and emotionally through the worst case scenario. Accept it, embrace it, and then move on. Take action. Okay. Hope this helped you. Keep smiling, and I'll talk to you soon. And hopefully I get some electric and heat soon because I can't stand my smell.